Pizza here at El Cañonazo. We're gonna see that at 9 p.m. Like over there.
Searching for your trace in the dark, losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes, your kisses burn my skin, I feel so empty inside.
Los Cañones de las Nueve is called. They're gonna execute like a drill from back in the days with their cannons.
Nadie puede entrar.
That was really El Cañonazo. They don't call it that for no reason. That was too funny. And 7 cooks to get in, and there was 1 cook to go up to the rooftop. I recommend it. It's a cool experience. They do it at 9 o'clock at night. I'm not sure about the time, or I mean the time. 9 o'clock at night. I'm not sure about the days. This is what it takes if you could rent a house or a room. It's almost like telling you this is the hotel. So this is what you're leading to look for. Here we have the pastelillo de guayaba. This is our 3rd order. Very good, very good. Este fue el que nos los vendió.
Está rico, mira.
Right from the start, you're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes, your kisses burn my skin, I feel so empty inside.
We are here in the Mirador Bacunayagua, I guess. This is like a halfway stop to Varadero. And this is the biggest bridge in Cuba, or tallest, I guess. We're here in 106. The door's a little stuck. A safe that you could rent for 2 cooks, $2 basically. A bathroom. A little fridge. Little spot to put your bags. Bed looks real low. We'll see how comfy it is. And then a balcony that I don't know how to open. I'll figure it out later on, I guess. Oh, there it is. And here to the pool.